Good afternoon, puffins. Guess which part of the body we'll be looking at this afternoon? Hey, so we'll be looking at our mouths this afternoon, our mouth, and what we have as a sense inside our mouths, because you're going to have to do this. Everyone stick out their tongue, go. So we'll be talking about your tongue and, of course, your teeth. All right, so we've got our lips, haven't we? And then for our mouth, and inside we have our teeth and our tongue, and we'll find out a bit more about those. Now, for your tongue, it's got a very important job. It's to do with one of the senses. Do you know what your tongue is for in terms of the senses? Do you know? It's got something to do when you eat your food. On your tongue, there are lots and lots and lots and lots of very, very, very tiny things called taste buds. Now, if you follow the link below, there's another one of those BBC clip things that you can watch to find out about the taste buds and find out how many different tastes we can taste when we eat our food, all right? So if you go and watch that, and you'll find out about the sense of taste. Off you go. So did you watch that? Did you know you had all of those taste buds on your tongues? Right, a way to find out about your taste buds, maybe as a science experiment at home, is they said that the smell, doesn't it? The sense of smell helps you to taste things. So first of all, what you could do is be blindfolded again, and maybe your parents could give you different things to taste and see if you can identify them using your sense of taste and smell. And then maybe on a few of them, your parents could hold your nose, and then you could try and get rid of the smell part and see, without looking, without being able to smell it, if you can still taste some of the food and identify it. Why don't you try that? That'd be a good experiment. So go and find out all about your taste buds for me. Once you've done that, come back and we'll have a look at the teeth. Okay, so pause this bit. Okay, I've got my friend here. Meet Jaws. Now, obviously inside your mouth you've also got your teeth, and your teeth also are very important when you eat. So what do your teeth do when you eat? Yeah, that's right, they help you to break up your food, and they chew it up into small pieces. Now, some of you will have lots and lots of milk teeth, which is the teeth that you first develop, and then when they fall out, they get replaced by adult teeth. So we'll have a look at the names of the teeth. So if I show you the teeth on here, then there's a video about the teeth that you can watch, and you'll be able to see what I mean from the model of Jaws. Okay, so the front teeth, your front teeth, they are called incisors, and they have different jobs. So the teeth right at the front, can you see like these ones here? Okay, so they're your incisors. Can you say that? And there are usually, I'll say it falling out, 4 of those at the front of your mouth. Okay, so 4 there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 up there, and then the 4 down the bottom, and they're quite big, aren't they, at the front, and flat on this model. So you've got your incisors, and they've got some jobs to do. So they help us bite into our food. So when you put your food in, like imagine an apple as well, those teeth at the front help you bite into your food. They also help your tongue when you talk, because they actually help you pronounce your words properly. And they actually support your lips on your mouth, help keep them in place and in the right shape. So that's your incisors. Then next to them, so you've got your front 4 there, you've got these teeth here next to them. They are your canine teeth. All right, can you say that? Your canine teeth, and you have 4 of those, and they help you cut up your food, really, these ones. And also, they help bring your top jaw and your bottom jaw together in your mouth. So they are your canine teeth. So the canine help you cut up the food, but the teeth at the back, the molars, all of these ones are the widest and the fattest teeth, and they help you to chew your food. So your teeth all have different jobs. Watch out, it's coming to get you. And then, as you grow older, you get some wisdom teeth at the back. And those are your teeth. So if you watch the, if you watch the video, you'll be able to find out much more about your teeth, and then we'll talk about something you can do to find out as a scientist. So remember, it's your job. It's important that you look after your teeth to keep them nice and healthy and ready for your adult teeth when they come. We're going to label our person in a minute, but here is a challenge that you can do to see how brushing your teeth and using toothpaste will protect your teeth from things like Coca-Cola. Alright, what you could do is, you have to use a whole egg, a normal egg, in its shell. If you put an egg, say in a jar of Coca-Cola or vinegar, and then put another egg in another jar of the same liquid, so if you're using Coke, you can have 2 jars of Coke, but on that egg, cover it with a layer of toothpaste and put them in there and leave them for a few days, and then after the weekend, after 3 days or so, take them out and see what's happened to them, because the eggshell is kind of similar to the enamel that's on your teeth that protects them. So that is something you could do to test out if brushing your teeth is good and protects your teeth, and see what happens. I'd see some photos if you do it, or videos. Alright, you might have to wait until your mum and dad are okay about using the eggs, because you might need them at the moment for food and stuff. Alright, but that's something you can do. Right, last thing, let's label the person, their body parts on their face. So, our mouth, below the nose, isn't it? Just drawing the lips, I'll have the mouth open. Oops. So that I can show the teeth. And then the tongue. So we've got our mouth. Ow. Okay. We've got teeth. You can help me sound out teeth. Go on. T, E, F. And then we've got our tongue. Alright. It's building up, isn't it? So we've got lots more on the top of our body there, haven't we? We've done the main features of the senses to do with our head. So next week we'll think about what's inside our head. Hope some of you got it inside your head. I'm not going to go on a tasting sensory walk, because knowing me, I must probably eat the wrong thing and get very poorly. But I haven't done a sensory walk to do with things that I can see, so I might do one of those today or this weekend, and I'll show you the video if I get that done. Alright, and then the egg experiment, I might, next time I go shopping, which is usually Wednesdays now, I will buy some eggs and test it out myself if you can't. Alright.